Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm back again with another makeup tutorial. This is a very simple purple monotone makeup look. Now something really interesting I have to share with you guys. Priyanka Chopra wore this very similar makeup look in the royal wedding yesterday, and to my surprise this makeup look I had filmed a month back. If you follow me on Instagram, you must have seen a mini tutorial of it on my Instagram a month back, and I couldn't edit and upload this one back then because then I fell sick and I did not have time and got busy with more things in life. So I was just saving this detailed tutorial for my YouTube, and when yesterday I saw Priyanka Chopra wearing the similar makeup look except the winged liner, everything is the same, I was like shook. I then quickly edited this makeup tutorial and here it is. So if you want to see how to achieve Priyanka's makeup look from the royal wedding, then please keep on watching. So I started with applying primer all over my face because it's not a very glam makeup look or a heavy one. I'm using a more moisturizing primer by Wet n Wild called Coverall Primer. This is like a very moisturizing and good primer for dry skin. Followed with I applied Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r foundation all over my face to get that flawless looking base. This is like one of my favorite foundations right now. It gives you very nice even coverage. I'm then applying Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. Again, one of my favorites, gives you a very nice skin-like finish and yet a very good coverage. This is going on the highest points of my face just to highlight and conceal. I'm then setting my face using NYX Cosmetics Matte Finish Setting Spray. Now this is something new that I've started to do, and it actually helps my base look really natural and eliminate any sort of caking. And once I have set my face using the setting spray, I then set it using a translucent powder. This is by Lauramercier. Then I'm gonna contour my face. I'm contouring my face using Makeup Pro Strobe Palette, all the normal places where I like to contour, and then quickly dusting away all the powder off my face. Followed with my brows, I'm gonna fill them using itcosmetics Brow Power. Now I did this makeup look a few days back, so my brow routine has changed now. So yeah, moving on, I'm gonna move to my eyes now. I'm first gonna set my eyelids using this skin tone eyeshadow from Sigma Nightlife Eyeshadow Palette, so that all the eyeshadows that go on top of it blend easily. It acts as a base. And then taking this cool tone brown eyeshadow from the same palette, I am giving myself a crease because I have hooded eyes, and if you want your eyes to look bigger and more defined, you have to give yourself a fake crease. So doing the same, and then using this neon purplish eyeshadow from the same palette, I'm packing it on all over my eyelid. Buffing the two colors together using a Wet n Wild eyeshadow blending brush. For the outer corners, I then picked up this dark purple eyeshadow with warm undertones. I'm applying it on the outer corner of my eye. The kind of depth and dimension only one color provides, you can see. So I'm just packing it onto the outer corner and then buffing all the three colors together using the same blending brush. Next, taking this icy silver colored eyeshadow, I'm popping it into my inner corners of the eyes just to open up my eyes a little bit, and then buffing the same dark purple eyeshadow on the lower lash line just to add more depth to my eyes and a little smokiness. I then applied inner rim brightener in shade Final Touch in the waterline. You can of course apply a black kajal, as in a black liner or kajal in your waterline. It would give even a better look. I just wanted to open up my eyes a little bit, and then I'm applying a winged liner using Sigma gel liner in shade Wicked. A nice beautiful winged liner. Followed with I highlighted my brow bone using Smoke and Whistles highlighter by Colourpop. just to give my brow bone a little lift. And then tight lining my eyes using Plum Gel Liner. Give my lashes a more fuller look. Followed with, I applied Sinuosity Lash Mascara by Sigma onto my lashes, a good 2 coats of it at least. And then I applied false lashes off camera. I then applied LA Girl blusher in shade Radiant onto my cheeks. Highlighter is crucial, so I'm just highlighting all the highest points of my face using Smoke and Whistle by Colourpop. For my lips, I chose Foxglove by I'm applying it all over my lips to complete my look. And then I did set my face again using NYX Cosmetics Matte Setting Spray, dabbing the Beauty Blender onto my face to pick up any extra setting spray. And that's it. That's the complete look, guys. I hope you will like this look because I totally love it. And if you did, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Bye.